Good morning, first grade. Today we're going to be making a clay monster pinch pot. We're going to take our ball of clay and split it into two pieces, one big one and one little one. Make sure that you roll it in a nice circular pattern. So now I have two balls, one big one and one little one. Now I'm ready to make my pinch pot. I'm going to take the big one and take my two thumbs and push down. I'm pushing down right in the center of the clay, and as I push down, I'm turning it. So that way I'm making this nice bowl shape. Don't worry about the cracks, we'll fix those later. Make sure that you keep turning your pot and pinching it at the same time. You want to make a crab hand and pinch. It's that easy. Just keep rotating it until you get the shape that you like. This looks about right. And now I'm going to take a sponge and wet it. Using the sponge, I'm going to smooth my edges. I'm trying to get all those little cracks out of my pinch pot. If the sponge doesn't work, you can use your finger too. Just try not to squish your pinch pot. If I have to, I'm going to fix my pinch pot and make sure that it's still that circular kind of way. This is going to be the head of our monster. See? Now, do you remember that other ball of clay? That's going to be our monster's eyes. So I'm going to pinch off a little bit and roll it into a circle, and that's going to be one eye. And I think I'm going to have 3 eyes on my monster, but you can do as many as you want. So again, pinch off and roll. There's 2, and here's the third one. Pinch and roll. So those are my 3 eyes. Now to attach my eyes, I have to do something called slipping and scoring. So I'm going to take my tool and I'm going to scratch into the top of the monster's head. That's where I want the eyes to go. And then I'm going to take a little bit of water and push down with the eyeball. See how I push down? If you want to, you can put your hand underneath so that it doesn't crush your pinch pot. Again, just push down. And that's going to help the clay stick together better. Last one. Push down. Make sure it's stuck on there. You don't want it to fall off because then your monster's not going to have the eyes that you want it to. If you have to, just fix and adjust. Now he's really starting to look like a monster. So what I can do now is I can poke out little eyes. Just poke, poke, poke. I don't want it to go through all the way though because you don't want to see it from behind. Look, he's looking good. Now, the rest of the clay you can use for whatever details you like. I'm rolling mine to make a tongue, but you can make teeth. You could add more eyeballs. Maybe he's sticking out his tongue. That's up to you to decide. The rest of the clay is for you to play around with. Make sure that whatever you're attaching to your monster, you're slipping it and scoring it. That means scratching into the clay because you don't want it to fall off afterwards. And now you're all done. Make sure that you clean up all of your tools. You don't want to leave any sponges in the water or a mess on the table.